ladies and gentlemen, if you can direct your attention to that center aisle, I'd like to point out the safety features on our Boeing 737-300 series aircraft. This, folks, is a seatbelt. You properly fasten it to slide that flat into the buckle to release, lift up on the latch, and it will release. It should be worn tight low across your hips all times while seated. There's 6 emergency exits on board, 2 in the front, 2 over the wing, 2 in the back. They're cleverly marked signs overhead, lights on the floor of the aisles, lead to exits. There in your seat back pocket, there's a safety information card. Take it out, look it over. Note that a bit of a water evacuation, however, between here and Las Vegas. Anyway, we put life jackets underneath your seat. Take them out only if we ask you to do so. Open the container, remove the best place if you have. Take the black strap, wrap around the waist buckle from tight. Once outside the aircraft, pull down the red tab to inflate you. Manually inflate, blow that tube at your shoulder. We're going to be walking through right now to double check the seats. Your seatbelt is fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are full upright locked position, and those carry-on items are stowed all the way to that seat in front of you, leaving there around your feet totally clear. This flight, like other flights, will be non-smoking. Smoking is never allowed in the aircraft lavatory. Do not tamper with, disable, destroy any smoke detectors, a $2,000 fine. And federal law requires passengers compliance while the posted placards and crew members' instructions regarding seat belts and smoke. Folks, although we never anticipate a change in the cabin's pressure, should want to occur 4 oxygen mask to drop down from the compartment above you. Just reach up and just pull down on the mask. Plastic tubing is full extended. Place the yellow mask if you nose and mouth, and breathe normally. If you don't breathe normal, breathe like you normally breathe. So we come out and let you out, it's okay to take it off. Please note this bag will not inflate. However, you are receiving oxygen. If you're traveling with children,